my channel. Welcome, bienvenidos. Thank you so much for clicking on another video. Thank you so much for preparing to watch the whole length of the entire video. So on today's video we're going to be doing I'm going to just be talking while I get my makeup done. So this is actually the makeup look I'm going to use for my birthday shoot. My birthday is on the 17th of October. Even though as this video is going to be posted, my birthday will have passed. And I do want to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel and who has been watching and who has been leaving comments. Let's get straight into this look, and the first thing I'm going to do right now is prep my skin. I'm using my Elizabeth Arden toner. The first thing is, how do I feel about turning 30? For me, I feel it's just really, age is nothing but a number. It's how you feel inside that really counts, and what you're doing to show progress. Right now I see people that are 50 and I'm like, come on guys, slow down. But really, if I get up to that age and somebody tells me to slow down, I'm gonna be like, no, why should I slow down? It's a free world, everybody stay in your lane and do what you're doing. That's exactly how I feel. I'm gonna be using my Neutrogena Hydrogen Boost Serum to apply that all over my face. I have heard somebody say, well, the person didn't mean to sound like pessimistic, where the person was like, oh, you're starting your YouTube channel at nearly 30. Everybody else started their YouTube channel much earlier. How do you feel? And I was like, there's a time and season for everything. Some people start way earlier, some people start way later, but for me, I believe just to start, you have a target market. There are over 180 million people in this world. Somebody's going to be watching me. Some people are going to like people watching it. It makes me happy. For privacy, I'm going to be using my Angel Veil primer from NYX. In retrospect, I would have loved to have started earlier, but I really didn't know about, like, I didn't know I had a passion about that till I moved to Mexico, and I'm glad for the opportunity to start and to continue. One of my cousins posted that I should grow my channel to 3,000 viewers before October, and like, ain't no Kim Kardashian, ain't no Kylie Jenner, don't have a little drama going on in my life, so how am I going to do that? But I'm happy that I'm at 300. It's still something, and I hope to grow to 500 before the end of the year. That's going to take a lot of work from me, which I haven't been doing because I've been concentrating on my Instagram this month of October. I have a 30-day challenge. I'm just going to put some pictures on the screen so you see different makeup looks I have been doing. Now, to set my primer, I'm going to be using Beauty by AD. It's translucent powder. I'm going to go in with my wet beauty blender and apply that all over my face. So let's talk about even this photo shoot I'm actually doing for my birthday. I would love to have like a whole outdoor, indoor type of vibe for my picture session with like 7 different outfits, but it wasn't possible. So you're gonna see, I think it's gonna be pretty cute still. So I'm taking my LA Pro Orange Concealer and I'm gonna use that to conceal all these dark circles. Do I have any regrets about my 20s? The only thing I do regret, which I couldn't really do, is I wish I had traveled around a lot more. I didn't have the opportunity to do that at school in Nigeria. I didn't have the money to be going overseas. Oh, my parents would even allow me to do such a thing without a man on your hand. You have to have a man on your hand or you're not going anywhere. I lived in the US and I went to, I want to say 25 states out of 50. So that's the only thing I don't regret. Of course, everybody had a plan of all the things they're going to do before they turn 30. For foundation today, I'm using Born This Way Too Faced in the shade Tiramisu. For me, it was that I was going to be an accomplished pediatric doctor. I would have had 4 children. That ship has long sailed. Like I said, life doesn't always work like that, and when life throws you lemons, but the lemons are bad, you have to make lemonade out of it. So I have been given this opportunity, which I feel I'm blessed, because a lot of people would love to be. The thing about life is that every stage you're in, you're always wishing to be better, and that stage that you're in is somebody's dream. So you have to remember that and be grateful and be joyful about the current situation. This is my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C13.5. So I did make a list of 30 things to do before 30. Let's get to that. And I didn't finish everything. 20. I did 20 out of 30, which I think is not bad. Taking my Laura Mercier setting powder, I'm just gonna set all over my... So for eyeshadow today, I'm gonna be picking the color Cocoa as a transition color. So when I was contemplating what type of makeup look to do, I was like, I always tend to do something really smoky for like black smoky. But I'm taking pictures, I feel like it just stands out the most for me. But today I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go that route. I'm gonna do something else. Do something brownish with some pigments and some glitter. So I'm taking the color Cocoa and I'm gonna go into the color Toffee to blend it out with. So one of the things I didn't do, which I already have planned out for next year, is to travel somewhere solo. There was just not enough time. But I have a trip planned for next year already, May. The next thing I wanted to do was to do an extreme sport, which something like skydiving, parasailing. Well, no, I did parasailing. Some sort of extreme sort, which I did not do, which is actually the one I want to do is skydiving. So like I said, I've challenged myself to do it before I turn 31. This is in the name Brownie, and I'm just putting it into my outer V. So I'm going to take my House of Tara white base and I'm going to sort of like cut a crease. This color called Savage here. I think the hardest thing that I did was being a vegetarian for a week. I initially wanted to vlog it, but then I became sick. And I'm taking this pigment color from Lutz and it's called Sunflower. I am just going to loosely apply it over my lid. I don't want it to completely... Now it does look a bit golden. So I'm going to take Rhinestone, which is another pigment from Lutz, and I'm going to pop that on top. Guys, I'm trying to keep it. I was really confused about which color to use, but I think I've settled for this rose gold color, and this is from So Pro Cosmetic. And I'm going to take the same fluffy brush that I used to apply the pigment and apply the glitter glue. I'm going to be using this. Okay, so my lashes are on, and you can see I'm flying away. So I'm going to set my entire face using my MAC Studio Fix, which I use all the time. On time. For blush today, I'm using this Lure. It's a Mexican brand, I think. The name is Spice, and it's a terracotta type of color. I feel it matches my transition color so well, so I'm going to pop that on. Nose job 101. I am taking this Gok highlight. I feel it's just beautiful. I feel it's a really beautiful color, and I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna highlight. Generous highlight, because I need the highlight to pop in the pictures. Never forget mascara under your lash, especially when you don't put both these under your eyes. So taking my Morphe setting spray, I'm gonna brown liner. Use it all the time. Then I think I have a second one. I have to check in my drawer. And I'm gonna line my lips. This is pinkish nude actually, but let me put this first. This is MAC Kinda Sexy. Okay, I'm gonna take this Tara liquid matte lipstick. What is the name? It's called Anja. Thinking of black, but I was like, nah. There you have it, guys.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you do enjoy I hope you do love how this eyeshadow look came out. Like everything just makes it glamorous, from the lashes to the eyeshadow to the lip color. I think we have made a good choice, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and sharing and liking and watching these videos or my videos gonna help me get to my goal of 500 subscribers before the 1st of January 2020. So help me God. So let me rush off because like I'm so late. Let me rush off for my photo shoot, and then I will see if I can put some pictures at the end. So bye guys, till I see you next time. Thank you.